गलत इंग्लिश बोलती है मैंने मैं फिर से बोलती हूँ
Say, so many people. यहाँ से start हो. So many people have dreamed to speak on the stage. So many people have desired to come on the stage to speak on the stage. Yes, you're right. Absolutely right.
सर इतना नहीं बोल पाऊंगी
Right.
नहीं बोल पाऊंगी
Just
so many people
so many people. बोलो.
sir so many people have dreams so many people have dreams
So many people have dreamed.
so many people have
Dream.
dream
Dream. Ah.
so many people have dream मैं लाइन पूछ रही हूँ
So many people have dreamed to come on stage to speak. Do people? Yes, you're right. Absolutely right. So many people have decided to come on the stage. So many people want to become a public speaker. So many people want to become a dancer.
सर
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. ऐसे बोला. So many people have dreamed to come on the stage. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you're right, absolutely right. So many people have desire. बोलो मेरे साथ.
so many people have desire to come on a stage and speak
हाँ, speak on the stage.
speak on the stage
So many people have dreamed.
so many people have dreamed to come on a stage and speak
So many people have dreamed to become a public speaker.
so
So many people have dreamed to become a public speaker.
so many people have dreamed to become a public speaker
So many people have dreamed to become a dancer.
so many people have dreamed to become a dancer
So many people have dreamed to become an actor.
so many people have dreamed to become an actor
So many people have dreamed to get a job in an MNC company.
so many people
So many people have dreamed to get job in MNC company.
so many people have dreamed to get a job in MNC company
So many people have dreams to become a singer.
so many people have dreamed to become a singer
So many people
so many people
have
have
their own dreams.
their own dreams
I used to have my own dream.
I used to have my own dreams also
Dear people,
dear people
I am successful
I'm successful
dancer, dancer.
dance trainer
Let me introduce myself. Many people have dreams to come on stage. So many people have dreams to speak on stage. So many people have dreams to become a dancer. So many people have dreams to become a singer. So many people have dreams to get job in MNC company. Yes, you're right. That's right. Yeah.
so many people have dreams
I am sweet. Yes, you're right. I used to form a language for a while. Just follow.
so many people have dreamed to become a dancer so many people have dreamed to become become a singer so many people have dreamed to become an actor so many people have dreamed so many people have their own dream I have my own dream also so hey guys I'm Surbi in front of you and today I stand here not only as a dance trainer so many people have their own dream to become a dancer so many people have their dream to become an actor so many people have dream to become a singer so many people have dream to become like Suraj sir so many people have dreams people have their own dreams I have my own dreams also so ladies and gentlemen this is me Surbi in front of you first of all I would like to thank Mr. Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir to give me this golden opportunity to stand here so today I stand here not only as a dance trainer but also as a confident person. Earlier, I knew how to move my body, but I didn't know how to make expressions, how to express myself, how to express my thoughts to everyone. But now I can do this. So in this world, if you have if you had talent, but if you had don't not only as a transgender but also as a confident person. So earlier I used to dance. I knew how to move my body, but I didn't know how to express myself. Didn't know how to express my thoughts to everyone. But now I can do this just because of New Generation Institute. Yes, guys, you hear the right thing. New Generation Institute taught me how to develop my personality, how I can speak confidently in people, how to express my thought. Here I can do anything, everything on this one platform just because of New Generation Institute. If you want to become something in your life, if you want to become a confident person, if you want to become a dancer, if you want to become a singer, actor, and doctor, anything, if you want to become something in your life, you must join New Generation Institute, guys. And today, I had talent, but I had talent, but I lacked confidence. In this world, talent without communication is nothing. All the thanks to New Generation Institute for transforming my personality. It gave me confidence to speak. It helped me to public speaking without fairness. New Generation Institute New Generation Institute improved my overall personality. And today, I'm not just a dance trainer. I'm a confident person, a leader, and a motivator. To all the students, I just want to say, never underestimate yourself. Never underestimate your talent, your hobbies. Never think your talent is small. Always take a stand for yourself, believe in yourself, and keep learning, guys, because English is not just a language, it's a life-changing skills. So thank you everyone. If you want to improve your life, if you want a successful career, you must join New Generation Institute. Thank you so much.